music app seems to know exactly the kind of music you love, or how online retailers predict what you might want to buy next. It's not magic, it's machine learning. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, enables computers to learn from data and improve performance without being explicitly programmed. It's an exciting field, and today we're diving deep into the different types of machine learning algorithms. To start, we have supervised learning. Picture a student studying with a teacher. The teacher provides the student with various problems and their solutions. The student learns the pattern and then applies it to new problems. This is how supervised learning works. It's all about learning a function that maps an input to an output based on example input-output pairs. It's widely used in applications where future events are predicted based on past data. Think of email spam filters, weather forecasts, or credit score predictions. Next, we have unsupervised learning. This time imagine the student studying alone. They're given a bunch of problems, but no solutions. They must find structure and patterns within the data on their own. Unsupervised learning works similarly. It's used when the information used to train is neither classified nor labeled. This type of learning is great for transactional data. It's used in recommendation systems, customer segmentation, or even in identifying suspicious activities in cybersecurity. Then comes semi-supervised learning, a blend of supervised and unsupervised learning. It uses both labeled and unlabeled data for training. This learning type is particularly useful when the cost of labeling data is high. It's used in web content classification, speech analysis, and even in biological sequence labeling. Next up, we have reinforcement learning. Think of a child learning to walk. They try to stand, fall, then try again, adjusting their balance each time until they can walk. That's reinforcement learning. It's about learning what to do and how to map situations to actions. The goal is to maximize some notion of cumulative reward. It's used in robotics, gaming, and navigation. Lastly, let's talk about deep learning. Deep learning algorithms use artificial neural networks with several layers, hence the deep in the name. These layers are made of nodes, and they learn to extract features from the input data which are passed to the next layer. Deep learning has been successful in identifying objects in images, words for speech recognition, and even in natural language understanding. So, to sum it up, supervised learning is like learning with a teacher. Unsupervised learning is like self-study. Semi-supervised learning is a blend of both. Reinforcement learning is like learning from trial and error. And deep learning is learning with layers of complexity. Each type of machine learning algorithm has its unique strengths and applications. They're like different tools in a toolbox, each perfect for a specific job. Understanding these algorithms helps us appreciate how machines learn and predict, shaping our world in ways we could hardly have imagined just a few decades ago.